Why is it that a lot of white women will go to college, meet their man? That young man doesn't have all the answers.
Right.
That young man doesn't know the plan, but
Right.
they're willing to ride it out and grow with that man because there's potential in action. Whereas we want the man that makes $5 million a year, drives the Rolls Royce Cullinan, that has the multi-million dollar house, that has. Well, this is the thing. If he's already accumulated all of these things, then why is it
Why does he need you?
Why does he need you? But not from a space of why do I need you because my business is good, but do you actually appreciate? Do you have the nurturing? Do you have the effective communicative way to actually be of value to that man? Why would he choose you? As opposed to all of these men out here that have a plan and they're in action, but they just haven't gotten there yet. What's wrong with that man?
There's nothing wrong with that man.
Well, why do so many women, they're like, he ain't made it yet. Okay, you haven't either.
When I mean by watering potential, I never heard you describe it as potential in action and potential in theory.
So, hey, shout out to Chris, man. Appreciate you for coming through, my boy. I'm still kind of new to this other software, so I don't know how to put comments and stuff up. But yeah, man, what did it say? Tank. Oh, okay. Time to grow up and smarten up. Yeah, man. Yeah, Tank definitely got to get on this issue. I wish I would have seen that earlier. But yeah, man. So what this young lady is saying, like, most of her content, I agree with 1,000%. There are so many guys out there, so many men out there that I would honestly consider as great leaders, potentially, on potential. Which when I think about a leader, I think about a person that will be willing to sacrifice themselves for the greater good, for the team, to look out for the team. They don't lead with their emotions, but they lead with logic, And I would say most guys literally check off that box regardless of what these TV shows, these movies, what a lot of these other 3 or 4 chicks try to say. There are a lot of great quality men out there. Now, they might not check off the swag. They might not check off, when it comes to height, making a certain amount of money or whatever, but their mindset is exactly where it needs to be in order to lead a family, lead a wife and some children or whatever, to go out there and do some really, really great things. But these guys are oftentimes overlooked because of those shortcomings. And again, like this young lady said, we're gonna let it play through because we're gonna dissect this thing little by little.
Why is it that a lot of white women will go to college, meet their man? That young man doesn't have all the answers.
Right.
That young man doesn't know the plan, but they're willing to ride it out and grow with that man because there's potential in action.
Wait. I want to stop it right there, right? Because she cooking, but not just white women, Asian, Chinese, Japanese, or whatever. Like it's a lot of women in other cultures that know and understand we the same damn age. I'm in college, you're in college. We ain't got no mother loving money like that. Like technically a lot of those people out there accumulating debt, you know what I'm saying, and getting these damn basket and weaving degrees that ain't gonna do them no damn good after the fact. But those women still know, listen, I want to get with somebody because it's a lot easier when you got 2 incomes instead of 1. And those women, I want to have children. I want to build a family. I want to get a husband. Because you got a lot of women out there that say, listen, I want children. But you don't hear them say, it's about having a doggone husband and a family. But when you speak to those women of other cultures, it's not just white women. And when you speak to them, they literally put that thing first. Like, listen, yeah, I would absolutely love to have a dope career and everything like that, but I have not lost sight of the goal. The goal is to have a family, to make sure that life is going to be easier for me, easier, for my children, our children. And them, no, they have been sporting this, I'm going to be strong, I'm going to be independent, I don't give a damn what everybody else got going on. As long as I get me, I'm good.
We want the man that makes $5 million a year, drives the Rolls Royce Cullinan, that has the multi-million dollar house, that has. Well, this is the thing. If he's already accumulated all of these things, then why is it?
Why does he need you?
Why does he need you?
And you also got to take an account of if this guy is checking off all those boxes where he got the house, the car, the money, the whatever. You know how many women want that type of man? baby girl, you gonna have to compete. And if we being honest, if we keep it a band, most of these chicks out here that think like that, y'all can't compete with them chicks. You absolutely cannot, because one thing that y'all lack, they possess. It's a mindset. How can I add value to this man's life? Not looking at him like he's a paycheck and what can I get out of him. Those women don't think like that. They're already ahead of you. Like, it's a lose-lose. You cannot win. Now listen, a guy might bust you down. He might keep you around for a good time, but it ain't gonna be for a long time. When men start to think about, family, long term, they're not considering these chicks that think like this. They're not. You already in the lose, and you're gonna lose that battle every single time. I don't give a damn about how good your body is, how good your head is, whatever that box, how good you think your box is, because I'm trying to be nice, because this is probably gonna be like one of the last live streams before we kind of like switch the content up a little bit. But we gonna still keep it a band. We gonna still be honest with you. Lose, man.
Not from a space of why do I need you because my business is good, but do you actually appreciate, do you have the nurturing, do you have the effective communicative way to actually be of value to that man? Why would he choose you? As opposed to all of these men out here that have a plan and they're in action, but they just haven't gotten there yet. What's wrong with that man?
There's nothing wrong with that man.
Well, why do so many women, they're like, he ain't made it yet. Okay, you haven't either.
When I mean by watering potential,
shout out to her, man. She's like, listen, hey, you want all these things from a man. What the flip do you have? Most of them, not a mother-loving thing. And again, they gonna always try to go back to them damn basket and weaving degrees that means absolutely nothing. You just got a piece of paper that says you went to school and you passed a couple of classes. Whoop the freaking do. What do you want a cookie? Like, that means absolutely nothing. You know how many people got them same degrees? And, again, I'm not trying to get into it, but they are still failing in life with those masters, with those doctorate degrees. I literally see so many people that have a master's still making minimum or average wage, which is $40,000 to $50,000. But you over $100K in debt. And you sitting there wearing that like that's a badge of honor. Don't nobody give a damn about your master's degree. What? You still lonely? You still by your mother-loving self. What good has that did for you in your life right now? But y'all let me know. What do you guys think down in the comments about this, man? Drop it down in the comments and let's talk about it. It's far too many of these little 304s that think just because they have a degree that they rocking, or they think that, yo, I need a man that checks off all these boxes. How many boxes are you checking off? It's a reason why you ain't got no catches. You're using the wrong bait. You're using the wrong bait. And that mindset that you have right now, you're going to be sitting out there in that damn pond for a very long time with no real catches. All right? And we're talking about quality, not quantity. All right? Because most of y'all are throwing them doggone little beta fish back any doggone way. Them the only ones that's really checking for you. We keep it at the band. But y'all let me know. What do you guys think down in the comments about that, all right?
Blueberry, Burberry, button-up. Tan skin, mixed race, buttercup. Canada weather, got a bundle up. I'm tryna work, she hit my phone, she wanna. Whoa.